couple of our koro came into our Whānau office. They'd just been given a hard time white baiting in an awa that they had fished on for generations. You know, how could it be? We're rich in land, but we're pohara, you know, and all we were trying to do is to provide a feed on the table for their mokopuna. And I just thought, that's not right, eh? And I said, well, you know, what can we do? And they said, oh, we've tried. You know, we've tried for years, and it's just too hard. And so from that point, from that moment, I knew we had to do something about it. So we did.
We received collective land per our deed of settlement, and it's just been sitting there for so long, and we kind of as a iwi decided that it was time to help whānau take that next step in developing it, whether it was for economical, social or cultural purposes.
So for me it's been more about keeping people on their whenua and maintaining their whenua. So this initiative, while it's been about whānau ora and whānau whenua, what it's going to do is help whānau hold on to their lands, retain their lands.
Tonight we have a particular whānau that we work with right from the outset to saw the opportunity to connect their relationship to their whenua and their whenua to initiatives. And on the emphasis of that, what is important here is that the next generation inside this whānau have taken up their initiative role in becoming young leaders. Now we have the physical training, the mātauranga is being developed around the specific initiative, which is to do with honeybees.
Getting into the beehives, making honey, try to rejuvenate our native plants, because currently it's all gorse and pines. Just focusing on for our kids, for their future, something they can do when they're older.
I was lucky enough to walk into one of their whānau hui, where the oldest boy, Dalroy, was presenting their vision for where their whānau wanted to be in the next 20 years. And all the kids, all the tamariki were around that table as part of the discussion with our navigators. And I just thought, oh, this is what it's all about, eh? Whānau leading where they want to go, the young.
So my brother, he's going to be the IT, my sister, she's going to be the accountant, and all the brothers and the old man are all going to be the field workers, hard workers.
One thing I'd like to say to the wider community, the various agencies, is that whānau and iwi have the solutions for us. That, you know, the Crown doesn't have to provide all the solutions, but they can certainly help empower us so that we can do it.